You know that feeling when an ad pops up for the 100th time and you simply scroll past it like it's invisible? That's ad fatigue, when viewers become unresponsive or disengaged due to repetitive ad exposure. You can identify ad fatigue on your creative by viewing different key metrics in this comparison graph. One of them is the combination of cost, CTR, and eCPI. In the case of ad fatigue, you'll see that your cost remains stable while your CTR is slowly declining, thereby causing your eCPI to slowly increase. Here, you can see while the cost may look unstable, the overall average shows stability. The CTR is on a gradual decline as viewers grow apathy towards the ad, resulting in fewer installations per ad view. Naturally, a declining CTR with stable cost results in a slowly increasing eCPI. These combined trends can indicate ad fatigue, but you should consider looking at other factors as well, such as media source or creative age. To mitigate ad fatigue, think about introducing a new creative or freshening up the existing one. Use data insights from the data table to create new creatives based on past performance. Then tracking it using metrics aiming for improved performance.